everyone, I've had a few messages saying we're struggling with today's work, so what I've done is printed out the questions you need to do, and what I'll do is we'll slowly go through each one. If you want to attempt it on your own, just pause me, but I'll go through each one, which might help you a bit. So let's have a look at this first one. So it says 2x plus 1. So if I do that as a flowchart, whatever x is, I times it by 2, and I add 1. Then that will give me my y. So if this tells me my x is 1, so I do 1 times 2, add 1. Well, that gives me 3. Now my x is 2. So 2 times 2, add 1. That's 5. So we've completed our table of values. Then what we have here is a set of coordinates. So this is -1, -1. So on my graph, go across to -1, down to -1. 0, 1. 1, 3. 2, 5. And 3, 7. And you can see they are in a perfect straight line. So we must have done this right. And then we can join them up. So that is A. Have a go at B. What would the flowchart look like? Right, so whatever x is, 3x, that means I've got to times by 3, then take away 1. And that'll tell me what y is. So if x is 0, times that by 3 is 0, take away 1, -1. 1 times 3 minus 1 is 2. And finally, 3 times 3 minus 1 is 8. And again, we've got our coordinates. So -1, 4. Sorry, -1, -4. 0, -1. 1, 2. 2, 5. And 3, 8. Now again, they join up to make a perfect line. Now, like me, you can just draw these all on the same axes. You don't need to draw the axes again. So that's B. What would the flowchart look like on this one? So x, I've got to times by 2, then take away 3. And that'll give me my y. So -1 times 2 is -2, take away 3, that gives me -5. 2 times 2, take away 3, 1. 3 times 2, take away 3 is 3. And we've got our coordinates again. So -1, -5, 0, -3, 1, -1, 2, 1, and 3, 3. Again, we've got a wonderfully straight line, so we must be correct. Now remember, pause me at any time. You don't have to keep this video going. This next one. Now, we should all know that x actually means 1x. So we're going to times whatever our x is by 1. But that is just the same number, so you could just have x plus 4. So it could just be your x times 1 plus a 4, or you could have just added 4. So for this one, we're going to have 3, then 4, 5, and 6. And again, let's plot our coordinates. -1, 3, 0, 4. Oh, sorry, I put that in the wrong place. -1, 3 is up here. Good spot for anyone who saw it. 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, and 3, 7. And again, another straight line. So that's D. And finally for this question, 2x, well that just means we're going to times x by 2. So minus 1 times 2, minus 2, 1 times 2 is 2, and then 4. And again, let's plot those coordinates. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 6. And that's E. Now what I'd like you to do is try the next two on your own.